Ever wonder why we get the hiccups? Hiccups occur when the diaphragm, the muscle that helps you breathe, suddenly contracts involuntarily. This contraction pulls air into your lungs and causes a quick closure of your vocal cords, creating that quirky hic sound. Surprisingly, factors like spicy foods, excitement, or even drinking carbonated beverages can trigger them. And here's a fun fact. While hiccups normally go away on their own, the longest recorded case lasted over 68 years. So next time you hiccup, remember it's your body's funny little quirk. Follow Ever Wonder Why for more daily curiosity bombs.